Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the game running but not showing problem in Steam. First, make sure the game is fully closed. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for the game name or any related background process. Also, check for the Steam Client Bootstrapper or Steam Web Helper linked to the game. Click on the process and choose End Task. Do this for all related entries. Once everything is closed, keep Task Manager open and move to the next step. Now open Steam again. Go to your library and find the game that is causing the problem. Right-click on the game and select Properties. From the left side, open Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and re-download any missing or broken files. Wait for the process to finish before launching the game again. If the issue is still there, clear the Steam download cache. In the Steam window, click on Steam in the top left corner and open Settings. Go to the Download section. Click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and you will need to log in again. This step fixes many launch-related issues. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows security. Some antivirus programs block game files and cause the game to run in the background only. Turn off real-time protection for a short time. After disabling it, open Steam and try launching the game again. If the game works, add the Steam folder and game folder to your antivirus exclusion list before turning protection back on. After completing these steps, your Steam game should open normally instead of running in the background. Thanks for watching.